IRS Form 1042-S is the foreign person's U.S. source income subject to withholding. U.S. withholding agents, including employers, universities, partnerships, and financial institutions, file this form to report income paid to foreign persons that is subject to U.S. withholding tax. If you are a foreign national who received U.S.-sourced income, such as wages, scholarships, dividends, royalties, or rents, you may receive this form. The Withholding Agent section identifies the U.S. person or entity that paid the income and withheld tax on behalf of the IRS. The withholding agent's name, address, and employer identification number appear at the top. Box 1 contains a 2-digit income code that classifies the type of income, such as Code 16 for scholarships, Code 06 for dividends, or Code 15 for royalties. Box 3A contains the tax rate applied, which may be reduced by a tax treaty. The recipient section identifies the foreign person who received the income. The recipient's name, address, country of residence, and foreign taxpayer identification number appear here. Box 2 shows the gross income before withholding. Box 7A shows the federal tax withheld. Box 17A and 17B show state income tax withheld if applicable. The recipient uses this form to file a U.S. tax return on Form 1040-NR and to claim credit for taxes withheld. Withholding agents must file Form 1042-S with the IRS and provide a copy to each recipient by March 15. If you are a recipient and believe the withholding rate was incorrect due to a tax treaty, you can claim a refund on Form 1040-NR. Keep all Form 1042-S copies for at least 7 years. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.